Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum. It's a machine drawing sum. We need to draw it ditto same. So how much is this distance? 32, then 50, then 70. So that much I have marked. Now first we'll start with the circle. So we'll mark radius 32 and radius 20. So I'll draw one vertical line. If you see, this is radius 20, so I will go up by 20 and 32. So from here you take radius 20. Let's say this is point A and this is point B. From B we'll take radius 32. Now this distance is 50 and this line is going up by 150. So if I have marked 50, now I'll draw one vertical line. Is 150. So this is 150, this is point C. Now I need to draw this radius 80. If I see this radius 80 is like this, which is 85 up. 85 up, and from C we can cut 80. So I'll go up by 85. I'll draw horizontal line, and from C we'll cut 80. So wherever it will cut, that is point D, and from D I will cut radius 80. Now if you see this radius 105, so if you see it is tangent to 60. See, this distance is given 60, so from C I will cut 60. And I will draw one vertical line. And if you see, this is 105 parallel line, and from this point it is 105, right? So from point C we need to cut 105. So see, first I will take 105, because if you see this radius 105, it is parallel to this line 60. So I need to take 105 and I need to draw one vertical line, and from point C I need to cut 105. So wherever it will get cut, that is point E, and from E we'll cut 105. Okay, now we need to draw this radius 30. If you see the radius 30, so let's say this is point F. So from F it is 30 away. So from F we need to cut radius 30, and it is external to this radius 105. So from E we'll cut 105 plus 30. So from E you cut 135, and from F you cut 30 wherever they intersect. From that point you can draw radius 30. So this is point G, and from point G we can draw radius 30. Now we need to draw this radius 20 also. I'll just mark this radius 20. So from this point we'll go up by 20 and we'll draw a circle. This is point H. So you may draw light circle. See, both these radiuses are 20, and then you draw tangent. So this is how it will come, and from here we'll draw a horizontal line. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.